Mutual funds gives you diversification and stocks give you liquidity. But what if I told you that there is one product which gives you both? Welcome to the world of ETFs, Exchange Traded Facility, the modern investor's tool to build smart, low-cost and diversified portfolios. In this video, we'll talk about first, what is exactly an ETF? Second, why are they becoming so popular? And third, how can you start investing in them step by step? So let's get started. First, what is an ETF? ETF, that is Exchange Traded Funds, is a financial product that blends two powerful investing features. Like a mutual fund, it offers diversification because an ETF invests in a basket of stocks and other assets. And like stocks, it is traded live on the exchange. That means real-time buying and selling during the market hours. So basically, mutual fund ka safety plus stock ki flexibility equals to ETF. For example, if you want to invest in Nifty 50, instead of buying all the 50 stocks one by one, you can simply buy a Nifty 50 ETF like Nifty Bees and instantly get exposure to the entire index. Now we'll talk about the key features of ETF. First, it is listed on the stock exchange like NSE and BSE. Second, you can trade it anytime during the market hours. Third, the prices move in real time like stocks. Fourth, it tracks an index or an asset passively. No fund manager actively picking up the stocks. And fifth, very low expense ratios compared to mutual funds. ETFs are designed to give you a wide market exposure, be it broad indices like Nifty or niche themes like gold, IT, or even US markets. And because they are transparent, cost efficient, and super easy to buy, they have quickly become a go-to product for modern investors. Now we'll talk about as to how to invest in the ETFs. Alright, so now you know what an ETF is actually. So let's see how you can start investing in one of them. It involves various steps. Step 1. Open a Demat plus trading account. You will need both of them because ETFs are traded just like the shares. You can open these accounts on platforms like Investmentor, etc. Step 2. Log in and search for ETFs. Use the search bar in your trading app to search for the ETFs. Example of ETF names are Nifty Bees, Gold Bees, Bank Bees, etc. Third, buy the ETF just like a stock. Select a quantity and place your buy order, either market or limit. Once bought, ETF will reflect in your Demat account just like the shares. This entire process is very quick and easy. आप 2 मिनट में ETF ले सकते हैं. Quick tip. There is no minimum investment. You can start very small, just like 1 unit, which might cost you as little as ₹100. Now the question arises, can you do SIPs in ETFs? Yes, absolutely yes. You can do that. While traditional SIPs don't directly work for ETFs, there are modern platforms that let you automate this. Option 1. Use Investmentor securities. Investmentor allows you to create a basket of ETFs and start an SIP with auto debit features. It's great for goal-based investing and it is very user-friendly. Second option is manual SIP. Even if your broker doesn't support auto SIPs in ETF, you can just set a calendar reminder and buy the same ETF on the same day on each month. Now we'll talk about as to why SIP in ETFs work. It brings discipline, removes emotion from investing, and helps build wealth slowly and steadily. So, what did we learn in this video? First, ETF gives you the best of both the worlds. Mutual fund style diversification and stock style flexibility. You can invest in them very easily using any trading platform. And yes, SIPs in ETFs are possible using platforms like Investmentor or manually. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, ETFs should definitely be a part of your investment strategy. In the next video, we'll dive deep into the types of ETF and how to choose the best one for your goals. So make sure you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon so that you don't miss the next part, because smart investing starts here. Happy investing.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. The securities quoted are exemplary and are not recommendatory.